If you have done your research and traveled down the path to get to the point of investing in an ISM high security safe, whether it's a TRTL-30x6, 60x6, or even a TXTL, a lot of our customers ask, what lock options are there? So to start off with, from the factory, for both the TRTL-30x6 and 60x6, they're going to be shipped from the factory with two Group 1 dial locks, mechanical dial locks. They used to be Sergeant Greenleaf locks, however, recently they've swapped over to Lagarde, so that's what's going to come standard from the factory. These Group 1 locks are very difficult to manipulate. Talking to our safe technician, Jeff, you know, the way that the wheel packs are set up and the lever inside makes it much more difficult for somebody to feel any of those contact points on the inside. Mechanical dial locks, Group 1, highest security, you know, dial locks on the market. So that's what it's going to come standard with. No cost, you know, to have the mechanical dials. A TXTL, which is not UL listed but is the highest security safe in the world, is going to come with a Group 1 dial lock and also a skeleton key. So that's how the TXTL comes in. We can spec this with two dials, or as we're going to get into here, we can upgrade or install different locks on your safe of your choosing. So a lot of our customers, you know, both business and residential customers, want a high security electronic lock option with different features. We can put a Group 1 electronic lock on any of these safes. So if you're looking for quicker access, multiple user codes, then, you know, have us put an electronic lock on there. We can leave one of them standard mechanical, one of them that electronic, or we can put two electronic locks on there. This is a way that I would prefer to do it, just to get into your safe easier and quicker. You just leave this one open, and then for day-to-day use, you just use that overnight, or if you want to leave, spin that out, then you have to use both locks to get into it. This happens to be a Securam L66 lock, which has a ton of features, including duress codes, time delay, audit trail capabilities. You can see who's going to get in and out of the safe and when. You can set the lock up to only work during certain time frames, and you can also hook this up to your alarm or security system inside your home or business. So this is a really popular lock that we install on safes, especially the high security stuff like the Super Treasury right here that's getting ready to go out to a jeweler. So standard lock, it's going to be your Lagarde Group 1 dial. Upgrades available, multiple different Group 1 electronic locks, and then with the TXTL, again, it's going to come with the Group 1 dial and the key feature. So if you have a question about what locks are available to maintain that UL listed rating, which is super important, don't hesitate to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're here to answer any of your questions. Appreciate it.